Alright, people, so good evening, good day, good night, good morning. Street side knowledge, So, we are look and see today. See how the focus. See? Now, you have 1, 2, 3 letters C in the phrase Pacific Ocean. If I hear about Pacific Ocean yet, you can Google it, you can read about it or whatever, if you never hear. But the focus today is C. Now, in that phrase, every single C have a different sound. Each of them sound different. The first C sounds like a S because whenever you have I coming after a C, it sounds like a S. So this first letter C right there sounds like a S. Then now, the second C make the sound like a K. Because for every other letter except from E, I, and Y, the letter C sounds like a K. So the first one is the soft sound. Them refer to it as the soft sound. The second one, them refer to it as the hard sound. Right? So in the word Pacific, the two C's, them sound different. Now, the third one now, which is the sea in the ocean. I don't know what to tell you say that the third one there do, or what cause it to sound the way it sound, or what. But what I can tell you say, the third one fall in the group of exceptions. And it no matter who you is and I learn to read, you have to know the word exceptions. Back to what I say. In this word, this CE is an exception, as I did say, because in this case it sounds like a SH. That's why the word sound like ocean. Pacific Ocean. Right? So, if you don't understand, you can link me and I can tell you what I say.